Oh my.
Hi, this is just Monty Duh.
And Ace.
Kong isn't here because he's a loser. And so we're just gonna do this intro together. It should be quick. And this is the BioShock bloopers video. Obviously, we couldn't be serious. Kong, I'm gonna kick your butt. So this is Kong, Ace Kong. So we, obviously we couldn't do it and just be serious about it. We had to be funny. So there are some bloopers in there. Not a lot, but some. It's enough to make a video out of, so that's good enough. Don't you think so, Kong? Okay, so hope you guys enjoy it. Just a quick vid, get something out there for you guys. I'm still working up ideas, thinking of stuff to do. It's getting nicer outside, so we can do more stuff outside, which will be nice. Keep checking. I don't even know if you're on the camera. I really don't care, Kong, really don't. Keep checking Ace Kong's site for new stuff. You know, they're dabbling in the machinima arts, and I'm part of that too. And keep looking at their walkthroughs, request what you want to see on their page, so check that out. If you love games, which they do, they're nerds. But obviously I am too. I did a video about games. So that's it. Check in for next time. I'm just Monty Duh.
And I'm Ace.
And that's Silent Kong. If you can even see him, I don't think you can. Bye.
Booty like pow pow.